Hi there, meet with me again in News NC channel. Okay, in this video tutorial, I will show how to add a new site in Google Search Console or Webmaster using new interface. Okay, I'm a little bit shocked with this interface because uh, time ago or ago, the interface of Google Search Console is not like this. So let's start how to add new website or properties in the new interface Google Search Console. Okay, I will add property here. Okay, and I want to add uh, https nosware.com like this. Okay, you can see there the https http is not the same, so we need to add a boot in here. Okay, okay, we need to download Google One PC. Okay, let's open our control panel and upload in our root directory. Okay, I have been upload the file. Sorry, okay, this file I already upload today. You can see there, and then I want to close my cpanel. Okay, I close, and then let's choose verify to see it has been success or not. Okay, ownership verify it, done. And we need to add again because the newsware.com is not the same with just http newsware.com. I will add properties here. Okay, I'm sorry, add property and http www.newsware.com, and because we have upload the file, we need to check just like this. Okay, done. And we need to add again www. Okay, https newsware.com. Okay, we will copy. Okay, verify it. Yes, the last is without https and without www. Okay, without this, and let's continue. Okay, done. And because we done to verify it, this all, we can click now to go to our properties. You can see there is have been like this, and we can now see the coverage error and more user information for us. Okay, that's all tutorial how to add a website in Google Search Console with new interface. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.